it's Claudia and Lila, and today we're back on my YouTube channel. And so we're at our mum's house, and this is Isaac. Yeah,
He's very good. I'm gonna go put him away.
So yeah, so we're doing our daily workout. So first we do running on the spot for about a minute, and then we do star jumps for a minute again. Then we do squats for about a minute or 30 seconds. Background dancer. Again. And then for
I
our
want to be on my side.
it's actually weird. So yeah, we'll get started. Yeah, I'll be back.
So I'll set the timer.
Started. We're gonna set the timer. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so we're gonna start off with the running.
3,
So we can't let the baby.
2,
Yeah. Can you? Okay. Well, trying to look down there.
You sure? Okay. Okay, ready, set, go.
High knees and flat feet.
We're gonna literally do daily workout. I take off the makeup first. Do that, make me look good.
A minute and 36 seconds left.
Okay.
Okay.
This is actually easy.
Because it doesn't get used to it.
Yeah, I really didn't need him. Look at the chocolate in the phone. Trying to be a star now.
Minute and 15 left.
I look if we just straight. Wait, check it. No, you can't reach there. Sorry. And 1 minute left. I'm joking. Claudia's running out. This is actually. We already did one earlier, but we just want to do it again because we ate. And yeah. And here's some health tips. So when you are doing, so you always have a big lunch because after lunch you always go out playing. So once you've done that, you burn off all the energy and you have a small dinner. So then you find it and then. And also,
We're done.
so no, we're not. 2 seconds left.
Might as well stop.
So also the people that are like, you can see their ribs are anorexic, and people that are over, like,
Well, they can be a bit skinny if they do workout.
like yeah, if they do like that, no, because that's normal 6-pack. If their stomach is over their ribs, then they're obese. And the normal size is the exact same as your rib. I can't breathe.
No, I'm a bit obese.
Okay, we're off. Alright. Next thing we'll be doing. I want to be on that side. Okay. Next thing is we'll be doing wanna do star jumps? There. Alright, we'll do star jumps for a minute. Setting the timer. Yeah, do I need to pause it? Starting. Okay, star jumps. I need to go. Yeah, no. We only did 30 seconds. No, yeah. What's wrong? Yeah, you keep going. Ow, ow. Oh, long. We just keep on. So, 10, 9, 7, 3, 2, 1. Okay, we're only doing a short video, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Yeah, because the videos only have a time limit. So, Bye,
and we'll do a part 2 next
something.
time. Make sure you guys subscribe and comment down below.
And like.
And hit the like button.
And if you have some ideas for our vlog videos and stuff, please tell me. And we're doing slime, everything.
So,
And see ya in the next
make
challenge.
sure you try. And we're doing. I think next week we're doing Hello Neighbor game. We got nominated by the Ohana Adventure, which we know from. We've known them for ages. So
See ya when